if you have issues with your Bluetooth device not working properly on your Realme Note 70T, then here's what you can do in order to try to solve your issues. So first of all, what we're gonna do is we're gonna open settings. Let's open settings, and then over here what you can do is go to connection and sharing. You want to make sure that airplane mode is disabled. Sometimes we can turn it on by accident and we might not be aware of that. So turn off airplane mode. And after that, we're gonna go to Bluetooth. Of course, you can also just simply turn off and turn back on Bluetooth. Sometimes this little thing also helps you with some issues, especially if you have issues with connecting. So just do that. Another thing that you can also do is, well, if you have your Bluetooth device near you, what you can do is turn off Bluetooth and turn off your Bluetooth device as well. And then once you turn on your Bluetooth feature on your smartphone, then turn on Bluetooth device. And after that, check if you can connect with your Realme Note 70T. Now, in some other cases, you might also need to simply disconnect the Bluetooth device completely. So you can go to the details or settings of your Bluetooth device, so tap on this eye icon on the right side, and then you can simply forget the device completely. So you can remove it from your smartphone and unpair it. And after that, what you can do is you can turn off your Bluetooth device, turn it back on, put it into the pairing mode, and try to pair your device again with your Realme Note 70T. Of course, if you don't have the pairing mode available on your Bluetooth device, then make sure that your device is not connected to any other smartphone, for example. You want to make sure that it is not paired with anything else so that you can actually pair with your Realme Note 70T. Remember that you can also refresh the list of available devices over here, so in case it doesn't refresh, you can wait a short while and then you should have the reset button over here. Or you can simply try to go back to one step to the previous screen and reopen Bluetooth. And you can also refresh the list of available devices like this as well. Now, once you find them, then of course you want to pair your Bluetooth device over here. Another thing that is worth mentioning is, of course, hard resetting your Bluetooth device. So unfortunately, I cannot really show you how to factory reset your specific Bluetooth device. This actually varies between different models, etc. So essentially, you want to check how to factory reset your Bluetooth device and then do so. So you will erase every connection that you had with other smartphones or other similar smart devices. And then you can try to pair with your Realme Note 70T again. Now, if none of this helps, what you can also do is you can go back to the settings, and over here we can scroll all the way down and then open System and Update. Over here you want to proceed to Reset Phone, and you should be able to find Reset Network and Bluetooth settings. And you want to reset these settings. However, unfortunately, as you can see, we can reset Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and mobile network settings all at once. And unfortunately, we cannot separate it. So if you decide to do so, once you decide to reset, you will have to reconnect to your Wi-Fi networks, of course your Bluetooth devices as well, and you might want to check your mobile network settings after that. However, once you do this reset, then of course every Bluetooth device will be removed from your smartphone. So you want to go back to Bluetooth and try to pair your Bluetooth device again, and hopefully this time it will work. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.